Hello IG Garage family. Is your car losing power, idling rough, or showing the P0066 error code? Ignoring this issue could lead to poor fuel economy and sluggish acceleration. In this video, we'll cover what P0066 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. If your car feels sluggish, you need to fix this as soon as possible. Let's dive in. What does P0066 mean? The P0066 code stands for Air-Assisted Injector Control Valve Circuit Low. This means the air assist injector control valve isn't working properly, affecting the fuel-air mixture. As a result, your engine may run rich or lean, leading to bad performance and high emissions. Symptoms of P0066: check engine light on, rough idling or misfires, loss of power during acceleration, poor fuel economy, and increased emissions. Common causes of P0066: faulty air assist injector control valve. If the valve is stuck or broken, airflow is restricted. Wiring issues, damaged or corroded wires in the control circuit can trigger this code. Clogged air injection ports, carbon buildup can block airflow. ECU malfunction, a failing engine control unit might not properly regulate the valve. Where is the air assist injector control valve located for P0066? Air assist injector control valve location, typically found on or near the intake manifold. It's connected to vacuum lines and an electrical connector. Wiring harness location, runs from the ECU to the air assist injector control valve. Look for loose or corroded connectors. Vacuum line connections are usually near the throttle body or intake manifold. Any cracks or leaks in these lines can cause the issue. Here's a tip. Always check your vehicle's service manual for the exact location specific to your model. First, check the air assist injector control valve. Use a multimeter to test for proper resistance. If it's faulty, replace the valve. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Check for any burnt, frayed, or loose connections. If you find any damaged wiring, make sure to repair or replace it. Now let's test for vacuum leaks. Spray some soapy water around the vacuum lines while the engine is running. If you see bubbles forming, it means there's a leak that needs to be fixed. Finally, clean the air injection ports. If they're clogged, you can use carb cleaner or a small brush to clear out any debris. Alright, after making the necessary repairs, the next step is to reset the P0066 code. Once that's done, take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. This will ensure everything is working as it should be. That's everything you need to know about P0066 Air-Assisted Injector Control Valve Circuit Low. If you're dealing with this issue, start by checking the valve, wiring, vacuum lines, and air injection ports. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0221 Throttle Position Sensor Circuit Range Performance. 2. P0546 Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit High. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.